In this lesson, we will learn about the animal families. Cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. So let's look at some more animals and their babies. A bear has a baby cub. The baby bear is called a cub. Dog, puppy. The baby of a dog is called a puppy. Cat, kitten. The baby of a cat is a kitten. Duck, duckling. The baby of a duck is a duckling. Frog, tadpole. The baby of a frog is a tadpole. Butterfly, caterpillar. The baby of a butterfly is a caterpillar. Sheep, lamb. The baby of a sheep is a lamb. Cow, calf. The baby of a cow is a calf.